Christmas dinner. Economics that go into making this special meal possible. Christmas is a time of joy, love, and togetherness. It's a time when families and friends gather around the table to enjoy a delicious Christmas dinner. But have you ever wondered about the cost and economics behind this festive feast? In this video, we will explore the typical cost of a Christmas dinner and delve into the economics that go into making this special meal possible. The cost of a Christmas dinner can vary depending on various factors such as the number of guests, the location, and the menu. However, on average, a Christmas dinner for a family of 4 can cost anywhere between $50 to $200. This estimate includes the main course, side dishes, desserts, and beverages. Let's break down the typical expenses involved in a Christmas dinner. Main course. The centerpiece of any Christmas dinner is usually a roasted turkey or ham. The cost of a turkey can range from $20 to $50, depending on the size and quality. Similarly, a ham can cost around $30 to $60. These prices may vary depending on whether you opt for organic or specialty meats. Side dishes. Traditional side dishes like mashed potatoes, stuffing, cranberry sauce, and green beans are commonly served during Christmas. The cost of these ingredients can add up to around $20 to $30. However, if you choose to include more elaborate side dishes or specialty ingredients, the cost may increase. Desserts. Christmas desserts like pies, cakes, and cookies are a must-have. The cost of desserts can vary depending on whether you bake them from scratch or purchase them from a bakery. On average, you can expect to spend around $15 to $30 on desserts. Beverages. Wine, champagne, or non-alcoholic drinks are often served during Christmas dinner. The cost of beverages can vary greatly depending on your preferences and the number of guests. On average, you can allocate around $20 to $40 for beverages. Decorations. While not directly related to the meal itself, decorations play a significant role in creating a festive atmosphere. The cost of Christmas decorations can range from a few dollars to hundreds of dollars, depending on your taste and budget. Now that we have explored the typical cost of a Christmas dinner, let's delve into the economics behind it. The food industry experiences a surge in demand during the holiday season, especially for items like turkeys, hams, and seasonal ingredients. This increased demand often leads to higher prices due to supply and demand dynamics. Additionally, the cost of transportation and logistics also plays a role in the overall economics of a Christmas dinner. Suppliers need to ensure that the ingredients are delivered fresh and on time, which may incur additional costs. Furthermore, the labor involved in preparing and cooking the Christmas dinner should not be overlooked. Whether you are cooking the meal yourself or hiring a caterer, the time and effort put into preparing the feast have an economic value. In conclusion, a typical Christmas dinner can cost anywhere between $50 to $200, depending on various factors. The economics behind this festive feast involve the cost of ingredients, transportation, labor, and decorations. Despite the expenses, the joy and memories created during this special meal are priceless. So, gather your loved ones, embrace the holiday spirit, and enjoy a delicious Christmas dinner together.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.